Crispy, sticky, spicy, General Tso's chicken tastes just like your favorite takeout, but homemade. 500 grams boneless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. Half a cup cornstarch for coating. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons hoisin sauce. 2 tablespoons sugar. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon fresh ginger, minced. 6 to 8 dried red chilies. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. A quarter cup water. Cooking oil for frying. Coat the chicken in cornstarch, then fry in hot oil until golden and crispy. Remove and keep aside. In a hot wok, add a little oil, then stir-fry garlic, ginger, and dried chilies. Add soy sauce, rice vinegar, hoisin sauce, sugar, and water. Cook until the sauce turns thick and glossy. Add the fried chicken back in, coat well with the sauce, and finish with sesame oil for extra flavor. Your homemade General Tso's chicken is ready, crispy, saucy, and so much better than takeout. Serve with steamed rice and enjoy.